Welcome to our short teaser to our paper Generous Interfaces Revisited by Theo Hug, Katharina Gallner-Holzmann and Sarah Oberbichler.
Hello, my name is Theo Hug. I'm Professor of Educational Sciences at the University of Innsbruck. This paper has been written for the Visual Learning Conference 2020, and it's based on the work of our DigiVis team. The DigiVis project, that's the acronym for Digitization and Visualization of Archives and Collection, a project we've been working on the last 2 years together with further colleagues here in Innsbruck. Especially we've been focusing on the Ernst von Glasersfeld archive. This archive has been used for a showcase. Our basic starting point was the concept of generous interfaces that has been introduced a few years ago by Mitchell Whitelaw. This concept refers to the basic idea of generosity as a design principle for interactive spaces. We've been further developing this concept and also developing examples referring to discourse mapping and the analysis of argumentative structures, and also to enhancement of didactical designs for various audiences and different purposes.
So my name is Sarah Oberbichler and I am working at the University of Innsbruck. I'm a historian and specializing in discourses and augmentation analysis. So digital collections actually create a great opportunity to examine and visualize discourses in order to explore the discursive structures that construct the world we are living in. And Ernst von Glasersfeld, we were working with his digital estate, as well as his supporters, but also his opponents, have definitely shaped the discourse on how the world is perceived and how knowledge is created. Especially this discourse is served as a base ground for new experiments, new approaches, and of course an exciting journey for interdisciplinary work, since the visualization of academic papers, and especially the concentration on academic arguments and discourses urged us to take new paths. 3 main principles have accompanied the augmentation and discourse mapping. The first principle was everything in the visualization is related to each other. So just like intertwined strands, every element of the visualization is connected to other elements. The second principle was the visualization always leads to the original text. There are always access points to the original text of Glasersfeld through the visualization. And the last point for us was simplicity over complexity. So only one selection per dimension is possible in order to avoid the overload users with information.
Hello, my name is Katharina Gallner-Holzmann and I'm a history and German teacher at a school in Upper Austria. I'm also doing my PhD at the University of Innsbruck. In this project, I was responsible for the didactics, and one challenge we were facing there was how to introduce users to a collection, because a collection doesn't tell the stories that are within it, but those stories have to be uncovered. And our goal was to enable users to do exactly that. So we created entry points for researchers, educators, and interested users. For example, the argument mapping that Sarah was talking about earlier, explainer videos for school and teachers, and walk through Glasersfeld theories, where you can see some of his theories and also explanations about those topics. Furthermore, we created educational games like the Jurkisch generator, where you can learn the language that was designed for talking to a chimpanzee, and also the vocabulary, where you can experience viability, which was one of a main topic for Glasersfeld. And we are very much looking forward to discussing our perspectives online at the Visual Learning Conference in November.